Shalom, shalom, Shabbat, Adonai. Welcome to the Sixth Exodus program. Then this is a song. The name of the song is called "Oh Hail to Our Lord and King." I want to say the words to the song, and um, I have the words for the song, but I don't have a melody. So somebody's going to have to help me out to put a melody to this song. Let me tell you the words. Oh hail, that's Hail, to our Lord and King. To thee we will be true. You redeemed us, you saved us. O hail, O hail, O hail to the King of Kings, the God of covenants. Because of your promises, we are, we are. We stand as an emblem of your love unfold, O Holy One of Israel. Our forefathers trusted you. 400 generations later, we will trust you too. We sing praises unto you, O great King, sovereign of the universe, maker of all flesh, maker of all things. Out of all the flowers in the world, you've chosen the lily. Out of all the cattle in the world, you've chosen the lamb. And of all the cities in the world, you've chosen Jerusalem. And of all the mountains in the world, you've chosen Mount Zion. And of all the people in the world, you have chosen Hebrews. For we are your family. We are one family. We sing to our God with one voice, with one hope, for we are your people forever, 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 and forever. We are Israel. From generation to generation, we are Israel. We are your people forever. O great King, Holy One of Israel. Thank you for listening.